Hi, this is Tara from GCS. We're a geospatial IT services firm located in Montana. We are the creator of GeoBusiness for NetSuite. GeoBusiness is location intelligence for NetSuite. I'm going to demonstrate how you can discover how coronavirus is affecting your employees, customers, prospecting, supply chains, and operations. I'm going to combine real-time information with NetSuite data in a map to create new insights. I'll also discuss how to visualize supply chain and operational disruptions. Let's say I work for a retail company which, prior to social distancing, sent their reps out into the field to meet with customers on a daily basis. They want to get more information about the areas surrounding their customers, employees, and partners to decide how best to serve them by understanding how the virus is affecting their communities. From a web app, I can see all of my critical NetSuite data in an interactive map. In addition, I can overlay current, cumulative, and existing COVID-19 cases along with my NetSuite data. Now, I can get a sense of how current cases are influencing business operations by visually analyzing the map. If you click on the red circles, which indicate outbreak areas, you can see more information about each hotspot, such as confirmed or active cases. I'd like to better understand the demographics, healthcare, and other related at-risk information surrounding my office location near Boston. First, we need to define an area for analysis. You have several options on how to do this, including selecting a sales territory from NetSuite or a metropolitan area or zip code. But we're going to use the drawing tool to select an area for analysis. A good portion of the leads, customers, employees are located here around the office near Boston. Now we can create an infographic for the area. This infographic summarizes information that can facilitate coronavirus impact planning. The report includes useful information such as at-risk population, poverty statistics, and health insurance coverage information. In the case of health insurance, we can assume individuals who do not have coverage may be less likely to seek out testing while presenting COVID-19 symptoms. The median age in this area is on the younger side, and there are 777 confirmed cases at the moment. We can get a breakdown of the age distribution in the population to gauge further the impact that this area could potentially experience, given that COVID-19 can result in a more serious illness for elderly patients. All of the graphics on this report are interactive. With GeoBusiness, we have the ability to create custom infographics and reports from thousands of data points related to demographics, market profiles, lifestyle and spending data, and more. These can be branded and shared across your organization or integrated into NetSuite or other business apps. When I click on this link, it takes us to the Johns Hopkins COVID-19 Global Cases dashboard, which is based on the same technology as GeoBusiness for NetSuite, Esri ArcGIS. GeoBusiness provides the ability to build operational dashboards such as the Johns Hopkins COVID-19 Global Cases dashboard. These geo dashboards can help businesses stay ahead of uncertainty, plan effectively, and act quickly using location intelligence. This modern approach to risk management can save time, money, and lives by giving you a global view of your NetSuite and operational data with real-time sensor alerts from industrial plants, transportation logistics, weather, or other disruptive event sources. If you're interested to learn more about GeoBusiness or about how your organization can use location intelligence, reach out to us at gcs.yourdatasmarter.com.